Welcome students. Today we are going to learn Standard 5th Subject Environmental Studies Part 1st. Let's begin our chapter first, that is our Earth and our solar system. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the Earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. Okay, in night, whenever you observe a sky, that there are so many stars are twinkling in the night. You find that some stars are very prominent. They are looking so brightly, and some are very faint. They are looking very small. Which are twinkling, we call them stars, and which are not twinkling, we call them planets. We will learn in next point. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shape clearly. The sun and the moon, the stars, the planets, etc., all known as heavenly bodies. In this point, we learn about heavenly bodies. In heavenly bodies, there are all planets, stars, moon, sun, they all are known as heavenly bodies. Next, that is star. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. Here in this picture, you can see there are so many stars are there. Which heavenly bodies which are twinkling, here you can see, which are twinkling, we call them stars, and which are not twinkling, that is planets. Stars are having their own light. They are having their own light. The sun is the star, and sun is so closer to earth, so sun is looking so bright and big, and in a daytime we cannot see other stars because of sun is so closer to us than any other star, so sun is appears big and brilliant, and it's having bright light during the day. That's why we cannot see other stars in a day. Next point is planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Okay, star, we already learned that star is twinkling, but the planets, they are not twinkling. Planets, they are also heavenly bodies that are not twinkling. They are called as planets. Planets don't have their own light. Our earth is a planet, and it's revolving around the star. The solar system. Our earth is a planet. It gets its lights from the sun. It is move around the sun. Its movements around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. Besides earth, there are 7 other planets that revolves around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, first we will see that is the revolution of earth. Whenever the earth is getting light from the sun and it moves around the sun, the movement of the earth around sun is called revolution of earth. The movement of earth around the sun is called as revolution of the earth. Besides our earth, there are 7 other planets. They are revolving around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, next point is orbit. Orbit means every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. That path is known as planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Beside the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Okay, we will see first what is meant by the orbit. Orbit means every planet is revolving around the sun in their specific path. For example, Earth is revolving around the sun in specific path. Saturn is revolving around the sun in specific path. The path of that planet is called as orbit. Their specific path is called as orbit. And in solar system, each and every planet is having their own orbit. The planets are revolve around it are together called as solar system. They all are together called as solar system. Now next we will learn that is other heavenly bodies in the solar system. First we will see that is satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolves around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites to get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth, hence it is called satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun. They are called as, here in night you can see moon in the sky, and moon is the satellite of earth. Satellite means which heavenly bodies are revolving around the planet. The moon is revolving around the earth, so moon is the satellite. Here you can see, while satellites are moving around the planet, as at the same time they are revolving around the sun also. The satellite revolving around the planet. Here you can see it's earth, and moon is revolving around earth as well as moon is revolving around the sun in a specific path. Now we will learn that is dwarf planet. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planet. Of these, the most well known is Pluto. Pluto is the dwarf planet. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Dwarf planet means which heavenly bodies are revolving around sun. Here you can see the Pluto. They are having their own path, and they are having their own orbit, and they are revolving around the sun, but their size is so small, so they are called as dwarf planet. The Pluto is the dwarf planet. Now we will see asteroids. Asteroid means between the planets Mars and Jupiter there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. The moon is the closest to the earth. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very small, much smaller than the earth. Okay, here we are seeing the last point, that is asteroids. Asteroid means between the planet Mars and Jupiter. Here you can see Mars and Jupiter. Between them there is a numerous small heavenly bodies. These are numerous small heavenly bodies, and these numerous heavenly bodies, they are revolving around the sun in specific path. They are called as asteroids. Compared to the sun, there are other heavenly bodies in solar system. They are much smaller, but the moon is very closer to the earth. That's why that appears big. Okay, in this way we learn asteroids means what. Asteroid means which small heavenly bodies which are revolving around the sun and they are having the specific path, they are called as asteroids. Then dwarf planet means the smaller heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun, they are called as dwarf planet. Then satellites means some heavenly bodies revolves around the planet, they are called as satellites. Satellites don't get light from the sun. Then we are learning about planets. Planets means the heavenly bodies do not twinkle, they are called as planet and they don't have their own light, they get light from stars. Then we are learning stars. Stars means the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called as stars. Stars have their own light and sun is the star. Okay, in this way we learn the solar system and some important concepts. Thank you.